How check initial Etoro investment amount? Follow the instructions. Log into your Etoro account. Click on Portfolio on the left-hand side. Click on History at the top of the screen. Click on the gear icon located at the top right. Select Account Statement from the drop-down menu. Set the date range to cover your full account history starting from the beginning. Click Create to generate the account statement. Download the generated PDF statement. Open the downloaded statement file. Scroll to the section that lists your transactions. Look specifically for deposit transactions. Find the earliest deposit made into your account. Take note of the amount of that first deposit. That amount represents your initial investment on Etoro. Thank you for watching.